welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for another crochet transformation? Here I have the 3x Double Twist Locs 22-inch by Golden Tree. I already did my base. Actually, I did my base like a week ago and I have not had the time to install the hair. This is real life, you know. I have got a job besides sitting in front of the camera. This base, it looks a little bit rough. Obviously, it's because it was done a little while ago. I don't think that will affect the installation anyway. I'm going to install the hair and then we'll talk about it afterwards. Here goes. I just realised that these locks actually aren't hollow, so I won't be able to do the individual method. So I'm just going to crochet these down into my hair. So this is 2 packs of hair. I've tried to keep them quite spaced out just to start with because I don't want to overload my head. If there are any gaps, then I will go back and fill in the gaps with the 3rd packet once I finish the top. Just going to undo the tie that I've got there so you can see the hair in all its glory. It's so pretty. I love the length. I like the style. I like this interesting and intricate type of lock. Here it is from side, back, side. The colour I have is a 99J. Here it is up close. Very pretty colour, very subtle 99J. Let's just walk through the specs of this hair. On the card it says that they are natural hand twisted locks with interlocking crochet loops, hot water setting, soft and natural texture, lightweight and tight, suitable for any occasion and seasons. This is a lock up close and it's definitely an interesting design. Very, very pretty. Got these beautifully curled ends as well. It has these interlocking crochet loops. It was so easy to install. I love things that are easy. Just literally in, out, in, out. I think that when I did the boho passion twist by Boho Boss, again, that was really easy to install. This is the same. I have no need to set it in hot water. The next claim, which was soft and natural texture, I don't know about whether it's natural or not, to be honest with you. It feels like if you were to actually braid it, you would probably get this type of texture, yes. Is it soft? No. The fact that it's quite knobbly and that the fibre itself is a tiny bit rough means that it's not particularly soft. It's not horrible. It doesn't feel like I've got sandpaper against my skin, but at the same time, it doesn't feel like a satin cushion. And when it comes to lightweight, it's not lightweight. I could definitely feel this on my head when I installed it. Now you get 24 strands in a packet and I installed 3 packets bar about 8, so I got about 66 strands on my head and I can feel the weight of it. It's not too heavy either, but I wouldn't say it's lightweight. One big pro though, I must say, is the fact that it is tight, and I have a feeling that you could just wear this for a long time because it is so compact that I don't think it's going to get rough easily. I think this is going to look really good. I think it'll be difficult for it to develop flyaways. So in terms of longevity, this thing goes in quickly and lasts a long time. I think that's a winner, right? If you're looking for something that is different, pretty, and definitely stands out, then this is it. I'm really pleased at how it turned out and I think I'm going to really enjoy wearing this. Are you still thinking about this hair? Think no more, just press buy and buy, because this hair, I have fallen for it. I really have. When I first installed it, I liked it. I liked it. Now I love it. After 2 weeks, this hair is showing no signs of wear whatsoever. I think that this hair could probably last, I don't know, a few months, 3 months, 4 months, because it literally does not seem to wear. It is amazing. I have never had hair that looks exactly the same a few weeks later as it does when you install it. The only thing that's beginning to wear is the base. And to be honest with you, my base was already a week old when I did it. So it's normal that the base is aging faster than the hair itself. But it is incredible. And look, I just have to show you this. Look. So this is the 2-week-old strand. And this is the brand new strand. Can you see? No difference. I mean, the only thing possibly, and not even the tips. This hair is quality, absolute quality. You could just take it out and reuse it. I mean, do your base again and then just use the same hair. This is value for money. You are gonna not only wear this hair for a long time, but it doesn't even cost a lot to start with. I used 3 packs of hair and they cost just over £20. I mean, are you serious? I mean, seriously, are you still sleeping on this? So let me just summarize that for you. The cons of this hair, I'd say that it's slightly on the heavier side compared to other braids. That said, the pros of this hair, good value for money, great longevity, easy to install. This hair is definitely worth a try. As always, do like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on my next crochet video.